Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the best renter's insurance in 2024. Renter's insurance is essential for protecting personal belongings and providing liability coverage for tenants. With various options available, choosing the right provider can significantly impact your financial security. This video highlights 5 of the best renter's insurance companies, each offering unique features, competitive pricing, and tailored coverage to meet diverse renters' needs. First, we have State Farm. State Farm is a leading choice for renters insurance, offering a blend of affordability and excellent customer service. With customizable coverage options, policyholders can tailor their plans to suit specific needs, including additional protections like identity theft and earthquake damage. The company is widely available across the United States, making it accessible to many renters. On average, customers can expect an annual premium of around $179. Next is Allstate. Allstate stands out for its generous discounts for seniors, providing up to 25% off for the policyholders aged 55 and older. Known for its comprehensive coverage options and user-friendly online tools, Allstate makes it easy for renters to manage their policies. The company also offers a variety of additional coverages such as personal property replacement cost. Average annual premium start at approximately $372, making it a competitive option for many. Next is Lemonade. Lemonade revolutionizes renters insurance with its tech-driven approach and commitment to affordability. With policies starting as low as $5 per month, it appeals to budget-conscious renters looking for basic coverage. The company is recognized for its fast claims processing, often using AI to streamline the experience. However, while Lemonade offers competitive pricing, it has fewer coverage options compared to traditional insurers, which may limit flexibility for some customers. Erie Insurance. Erie Insurance is known for its comprehensive coverage options and excellent customer service, making it a strong contender in the renter's insurance market. The company provides unique add-ons like sewer backup and earthquake coverage, catering to diverse needs. However, Erie operates in only 12 states plus Washington, D.C., which may limit availability for some renters. Its policies are competitively priced with an emphasis on personalized service and support. Nationwide. Nationwide offers renters insurance with a variety of optional add-ons that enhance the standard coverage. One standout feature is the brand new belongings endorsement, which replaces items at their current value rather than their depreciated value, providing greater financial protection. The company also offers discounts for bundling policies and maintaining claims-free history. Average premium starts at $253 annually, making it an attractive option for those seeking comprehensive coverage with flexibility. In conclusion, selecting the right renter's insurance is crucial for safeguarding your belongings and ensuring peace of mind. Each of the highlighted providers offer unique benefits and coverage options. Evaluate your needs to find the best fit for your lifestyle and budget. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.